Now we can learn exercise 3.2. First question. Find the GCD of the given polynomials. First one, x power 4 plus 3x cube minus x minus 3. Okay, you see this. What is the degree of the polynomial? Power 4 is the highest power. So degree is also 4. Okay, x power 4, 3x cube. Then x square term is missing. So you have to write 0x square when you do the sum. Understood? Then x term, constant term. In the second polynomial, x cube term, x square term, x term, constant term. Okay, you see these two polynomials, the highest power in these two polynomial or highest degree is power 4. Okay, since the degrees are different, highest degree polynomial you consider as the dividend and lowest degree polynomial you consider as the divisor. Understood? So we can take the dividend as f of x. So you write let f of x is equal to x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 0x square minus x minus 3 and g of x is equal to, it is the divisor, x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 3. Okay, for finding the GCD using the long division method, then you write to find GCD of f of x and g of x. Okay, now step 1. First you divide this, divide f of x by g of x. Okay, so you write the divisor in the left, x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 3. Then you can put the line for division and write this dividend x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 0x square minus x minus 3. Put the division line and you have to find out this quotient. How to find the quotient? You see the first term, it is x power 4 in the dividend. See the first term of the divisor, it is x cube. So x power 4 divided by x power 3, that is x. That x you write in the quotient part. Then with this x you multiply this x divisor. So x into x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 3. What is the value you are getting? That you write under this dividend. Okay, x into x cube, x power 1 into x cube. So 1 plus 3, 4. That is x power 4. Next x into x square. So power 1 plus 2, it is 3. So it is x power 3. X into minus 5x. So minus 5, x power 1 into x power 1, it is x square. Then x power 1 into 3, that is plus 3x. Now normal subtraction. When you do the subtraction of the polynomial, you will change the sign and do the addition. Okay, now minus x power 4 minus x power 4, it is 0 x power 4. 3x cube minus x cube. So 3 minus 1. The coefficient of x cube is 1 here. So 3 minus 1, 2x cube. Now plus 0 plus 5. It is plus 5x square minus the coefficient of x is 1 here. So minus 1 minus 3. It is minus 4 x minus 3. Next you bring the last term also. Okay, since now you see the power of the polynomial, divisor and this polynomial, both are same. Okay, both are same. So we can continue the division now. Use the same procedure. The dividend first term 2x cube and divisor first term x cube. You can cancel this x cube and x cube. So you will get 2. So this it is plus 2. So plus 2 you put in the quotient part. and multiply this 2 with this divisor x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 3. Okay, when you multiply this quotient 2 with this divisor, what you are getting, that you write under this expression. Okay, now you see 2 into x cube, it is 2x cube. Next 2 into plus x square, so plus 2x square. Next 2 into minus 5x, 2 into minus 5, it is minus 10x. 2 into 3, it is 2 3s are 6. Okay, now normal subtraction. When you do the subtraction, you can change the sign. So 2x cube minus 2x cube, then the terms cancel. 5x square minus 2x square, 5 minus 2 is 3, so 3x square. Next minus 4x plus 10x, so minus 4 plus 10, it is plus 6x. Okay, signs are different, so put the greater number sign, then subtract from the greater number. So greater number sign is plus, 10 minus 4 is 6. Next minus 3 minus 6, signs are same, so put the same sign and add the number, it is 9. Okay, now you see the divisor degree is 3 and this remainder degree is 2. Now the degree is smaller, so we cannot continue the division. We can conclude, but the remainder is not equal to 0. So we have to do this again, the same procedure. Okay, in this you see the here we are going to take the divisor and the remainder. In this divisor the degree is 3, remainder degree is 2. So highest degree polynomial we will consider as dividend and lowest degree polynomial we will consider as divisor. Okay, so we can do the division using this divisor and dividend, this remainder. Understood? So this is the remainder, but in this remainder the coefficient of x square 3, coefficient of x 6 and constant term is 9. All these three numbers are multiples of 3, so we can take the 3 commonly outside. Understood? We can take the 3 commonly outside and remaining terms you take it for the division. Okay, therefore remainder is 3x square plus 6x minus 9, that is not equal to 0. That is 3 into x square plus, when you take 3 outside, 6 means 3 into 2, so the remaining terms 2x minus 9 you can write as 3 into 3, we took the 3 outside, so the remaining 3 is not equal to 0. Okay, now consider, that is next is the step 2. Consider x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 3 and x square plus 2x minus 3. Okay, so which is the dividend? This x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 3 is the dividend, and this x square plus 2x minus 3 is the divisor. Okay, divide x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 3 by x square plus 2x minus 3. Okay, we can do the division again in the same procedure. Now you see, first write the divisor on the left, x square plus 2x plus 3, minus 3. Then write the dividend, x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 3. Okay. Now you do the division like the same procedure. first term of the dividend is x cube and first term of the divisor is x square. Okay, so x cube divided by x square equal to x. This x cube divided by x square equal to x. This x you write in the quotient part of this division. So x, then using this x, you multiply the divisor x square plus 2x minus 3. So what you get, that you write it here. So x into x square is x cube, x into 2x is plus 2x square, x into minus 3 is minus 3x. Okay, now subtract, change the sign and do the subtraction. So x cube minus x cube, it is 0. X square minus 2x square, it is 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. So we can write as minus x square. Then minus 5x plus 3x. Minus 5 plus 3, signs are different. Put the greater number sign and subtract from the greater number. 5 minus 3 is 2x. Then bring the third term 3. Okay. Now you see the degree of the remainder power 2 and the degree of the divisor also power 2. Since the degrees are same, we can continue the division. Okay, we can continue the division. Now you see here here now this is the dividend term is minus x square, first term minus x square, divisor first term is x square, so that is equal to minus 1. So we can put this minus 1 in the quotient, and with this minus 1, when you multiply the divisor, you will get the terms. Minus into x square, it is minus x square, minus into 2x, it is minus 2x, minus into minus plus 3. Okay, now normal subtraction, change the sign and do the subtraction. So minus into plus, minus x square plus x square 0, minus 2x plus 2x 0, plus 3 minus 3 0. Okay, so totally the remainder 0. Since the remainder 0, in the same step, what is the divisor? That is only the GCD of the polynomials. Okay, so what is the GCD now? X square plus 2x minus 3. Okay, since the remainder is 0, the GCD is x square plus 2x minus 3. Okay, so we can write the answer with the question. GCD of x power 4 plus 3x cube minus x minus 3 and x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 3 is x square plus 2x minus 3. Understood?